Hello, everybody. My name is Manuel. I am from Peru. I will start sharing some content related to Linux. I just wanted to share some introduction about the recordings that I will start doing from this moment. For example, I've been working and involved with Linux for almost 10 years, or maybe a little bit more. I have some certifications related to Linux, but the best way to learn something is to share the knowledge. So that's maybe what is inspiring me to do these little videos and content and share the knowledge. So I will start doing some videos covering the following topics: the beginner level, intermediate level, and advanced level. Okay. The videos will be covered in the following order: Linux beginner to pro. We are going to start with navigation and files. Then we are going to continue with file permissions. Then we are going to continue with text manipulation, processes and job control, redirection pipes, user management, disk management, SSH and remote access, bash scripting basics, and system monitoring. Once we have covered all of this, we're going to continue with Linux for DevOps, where we are going to know a little bit more about package managers such as apt, dnf, pacman, systemd, and services to manage the services that run under Linux, networking fundamentals, how to configure a specific IP address on a specific host, how to configure different subnets in a specific host. It's like I can have two subnets, but my computer can have one specific IP for each subnet that will allow me to communicate with the different computers or hosts in that subnet. And then we are going to jump to security with UFW or IP tables that is well known as firewall. In other words, we're talking about firewall. Okay. Then we are going to continue working with logging with journalctl to check all the logs that are written by the system daemons. Okay. Then we are going to check performance monitoring to check the state of the system. For example, that this disk space, the memory consumption, and also the core consumption, and other details such as what is the application that is consuming more of the host. Then we are going to continue with Docker basics, system timers with cron replacement, and then we are going to jump to shell scripting for automation, and finally troubleshooting common issues, like what we're going to do if we are facing some problems related to disk space, or what about if the memory is being consumed totally at all. How can we remove the cache that is being consumed, etc. And other details, right? Identify what is happening in the system that is consuming so much resources. That's the information that we are going to cover in the troubleshooting common issues. Okay, so that's some basic details and content. I'm going to start with navigation of files. So we're going to be covering some little videos about the following topics. We're going to start with navigation of files. So I really hope that the content is clear for you. I'm going to share this document. Feel free to share it or to save it. I will be updating this with the proper links of the YouTube, just to leave the document available in case someone wants to have it. Okay, so yeah, I really hope that you have fun during this journey from the beginner, intermediate, advanced. And yeah, I'm going to see you in the next videos. So see you around. Take care, guys.